Welcome one more time, everyone. I am here located at 840 meters above the sea level in the Serra de Itaqueri, Sao Paulo, Brazil. And people, I gotta tell you, as you saw in the short intro video before all this, guys, you're gonna love the review, the shot with the drone of the place or where we are. What do you think about the shots? If you know already this place, let me know in the comment. If you have any thought, you know, or positive comment, let me know, guys. Give me that thumb up, share with all the people the beauty of the nature in this place. And to let you know, guys, I'm here in Enrique Morris Adventures, then not only in Sao Paulo, not only in Rio de Janeiro, then all those things you see in the TV, they showing us that Brazil is only those places. Now, come and visit Brazil, they have so many places. And trust me, they don't pay me for this advertising, guys. So, big thumb up for all of you, big hug, love, you know, until the next time. People, what you gotta say? Ciao or what?
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.